right. Hey there, everybody, in the morning. Just jumping on here to let y'all know that we have taken profits on CRWV. So, as we talked about yesterday, this was just a quick overnight trade idea based on the divergent bar indicator. The target was 144. So we jumped in with a low risk broken wing butterfly to keep that capital small, still have a nice profit potential set up. Looking for that move back up to 144 by today, because for the divergent bar, my rule is 3 bars. If it can follow through within 3 bars, that's the sweet spot. And we got the follow through, and it's higher than where I closed out at. So hopefully you guys are getting better fills than I am. But I took the quick win on that, closing out at $1.19. So it was a quick 50-cent profit, a little shy of 100% return. And if you do have multiple contracts, please consider leaving on a runner if that's okay and within your risk tolerance. And the reason why is, as I just discussed here over in the simpler rooms, there are some really great intraday squeezes still setting up on this at the moment. So if you are okay sitting on a runner, if you had multiple contracts, I don't think that is a bad idea to do so. And I'm trying to pull up the intraday chart, but man, this is going slow. Am I having an issue, Thinkorswim? There we go. So just so you guys can see, for example, on the 4-hour chart here, still a great intraday squeeze, plenty of room on momentum. Bollinger Bands are starting to flare open. So it looks good to try and keep running. But for myself, it was only meant as an overnight quick scalp up into that 44 range. It hit target, so I took my profits. That's it for me, guys. As always, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedis, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Bye.